Hello, my name is Rio. I'm 14 years old. I'm from Indonesia. Welcome to my speech. Why do children smoke? First, let me tell you some statistics. 7 out of 10 men in Indonesia smoke. But while the number for women is unknown, but it is slowly rising. Every year, more than 225,000 of its people are killed by tobacco-caused diseases. Still, more than 470,000 children ages 10 to 14 and 64 million adults ages 15 and up still continue to use tobacco each day. Now, let me tell you a story. This is Ilham. He is also from Indonesia and he has been smoking since he was 4 years old. He started smoking because of his surroundings. He sees teenagers smoking while hanging around the parks, the streets, and everywhere else. Ilham even said that he preferred smoking over eating candy. His parents found out he smoked when he went to school. Then they tried many ways to make him stop smoking. They posted a poster of the effects of smoking on his wall, and they tried taking away his money, but none of that worked. When they took away his money, he just went to a local store and he helped people park their cars and their motorcycles for change. He then goes into the store and bought the cigarettes with the money that he earned. Once, he went to a street vendor and he asked for some cigarettes and some coffee. The vendor thought he was buying it for an adult, but he drank the coffee and smoked the cigarettes right there. Ilham now goes to a doctor for rehabilitation and now he's starting to smoke less. Okay, back to my question. Why do kids smoke? It's because they want to look cool and they want to be respected by other children and other teenagers. So, what are the solutions? We need the initiative of smokers to not smoke in front of children. Adults need to be more aware of where they smoke and who is watching. Children act on the examples that they are given. The government also needs to get involved in preventing the mass media publication that encourages smoking. Sadly, if you look at commercials on TV now, the coolest ones are the cigarette commercials. That's all from me. Thank you for listening and goodbye.
Okay, that will be all what we have for today. We'll like